Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Vikas and Mamta, for joining in. Today we are on the 21st chapter of this amazing book, Eat That Frog. This is the last chapter, and we are reading about single handle every task. Let me quickly share the screen with each one of you so that we can read it together. Single handle every task. And herein lies the secret of true power. Learn by constant practice how to husband your resources and to create, concentrate them, and give at any given moment upon a given point. Sorry, I'll repeat that. Sorry. And herein lies the secret of true power. Learn by constant practice how to husband your resources and concentrate them at any given moment upon a given point.
वो हार्नेस है हस्बैंड की जगह ना, हार्नेस होगा वहां पे।
नहीं, मैंने बुक में भी देखा हस्बैंड ही लिखा है।
मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि ये टाइपिंग में एरर है।
हाँ, तभी
हम्म।
मेरे को लगा कि ये क्या हो गया। ओके, eat that frog. Every bit of planning, prioritizing, and organizing comes down to this simple concept. Your ability to select your most important task, to begin it, and then to concentrate on it single mindedly until it is complete is the key to high levels of performance and personal productivity. Every great achievement of mankind has been preceded by a long period of hard, concentrated work until the job was done. We have read in the earlier chapter as well that हमारे को अगर हम किसी whatever the biggest highest value task is, हम we should be concentrating on that task मतलब 100 with 100% concentration. That is single mindedness, and we should not distract ourselves with other activities at that point in time. Once you get going, keep going. Single handling requires that once you begin, you keep working at the task without diversion or distraction until the job is 100% complete. You keep urging yourself onward by repeating the words back to work over and over whenever you are tempted to stop or do something else. By concentrating single mindedly on your most important task, you can reduce the time required to complete it by 50% or more. It has been estimated that the tendency to start and stop a task, to pick it up, put it down, and come back to it can increase the time necessary to complete the task by as much as 500%. How many of you have, actually experienced it? For me, it is very true. Reason being कि हम, for example, I'm sitting to create a PDF for my presentation, for my master class or something. वो अगर मैं बीच में छोड़ के कुछ और काम करने जाऊंगी, then I come back again. I have to put in some time and effort to come back into the flow state of doing the work. I would like to hear from Mamta, from you as to does that work for you? Does that not work for you? What is your perspective on this?
Yes, Karishma, it's absolutely true. If we work on some specific thing with full concentration, and obviously, in a peaceful atmosphere, we can finish it off in a very shorter period of time comparative to if we get disturbed in between. And in my case, what I observe is during the morning peak, morning hours, basically, we are able to finish our things proactively in lesser period of time.
हाँ, हर किसी का एनर्जी हाई एनर्जी जोन इज डिफरेंट. फॉर मी मॉर्निंग में अर्ली मॉर्निंग इज गुड, वेर इन आई अटेंड विकास का बुक रीड मॉर्निंग सेशन, एंड उसके बाद आई गो लेजी, एंड देन आफ्टर 1 to 3 इज माई प्रोडक्टिव टाइम. ऐसे 4:30 to 7 PM इज माई प्रोडक्टिव टाइम. उसके बाद 10 बजे से 12 बजे तक इज माई प्रोडक्टिव टाइम. दीज आर द चंक्स, टाइम चंक्स दैट आई हैव पुट असाइड कि मेरे को जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट काम करना है अपने कोचिंग के लिए, आई डू इट इन दोस टाइम्स. अगर मैं सुबह करने बैठूंगी, आई विल हैव प्लेंटी ऑफ थिंग्स ऑन माई हेड एंड दैट विल कीप मी डिस्ट्रैक्टेड कि घर का काम करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है, एंड आई कीप ऑन आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू कंसंट्रेट ऑन इट. Let's hear it from you, Vikas. How much do you agree with this?
Yes, I agree totally with it. Sometimes people confuse that if I do multiple tasks at the same time, then I will be able to do more tasks.
Hmm.
But time to regain focus whenever you get distracted. See, and since in today's times in particular, when the distractions are many, we are being bombarded with so many informations, so many distractions, and add it to the fact that we have attention span of only 3 seconds.
Yes.
So concentrating on a single task is the biggest challenge of today's time.
Yes.
And especially when you feel that you can do parallel tasks parallelly or simultaneously. So it becomes even more challenging.
Hmm.
And yes, focusing on sitting, then losing track of the train of thoughts that was going earlier, gaining focus back, and then focusing again on the task which you were doing earlier, uh, causes drainage of energy and enormous loss of time. You can see the difference it makes between concentration and distraction. Concentration helps you achieve complete the task
Quickly.
with a reduction of 50%. 50%.
Yeah.
And if you get distracted,
Hmm.
then it it uh, increases the time for completion of the same task by 500%. So yes, I do agree that distraction and focus, there are two keywords throughout the paragraph that we read. There were two keywords: concentration, and second was completion. We have so much tasks which we do not complete it, and which are opened, which remain open. It's
Hmm.
like, suppose you have opened so many files on the computer and you have not closed that file. It is just open, you have just minimized it.
And then the speed of the computer also goes down.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. That's why I'm saying. So likewise, we live with so much tasks open ended. We do not close it. We do not lead it to the logical conclusion, because of which the speed at which we can think clearly also slows down, and we cannot see it clearly also. There is blur. So it is very, very important, particularly in today's times, when focus, I say focus is even more important than your energy and time.
हाँ
Because
वही
because
तो the flow state is very important. Focus के साथ ही
और
वो
दूसरा
state
क्या है,
आएगा.
more than the resources, how are you spending those resources is more important. So
Hmm.
you have the energy, you have the time, but
Hmm.
if you are distracted, so it will be drained, wasted, and all.
Why do I see all of you stuck?
सारा काम हमने किया और फिर वही रह गया, ऐसा होता है. Yes.
Apologies about that.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay. So जो हम बात कर रहे थे, each time you return to the task, you have to familiarize yourself with where you were when you stopped and what you still have to do. You have to overcome inertia and get yourself going again. You have to develop momentum and get into a productive work rhythm. That is what we were talking about right now, right? कि अगर हम एक बार टास्क को छोड़ देते हैं तो हमारे को वी हैव टू rewire to come back into the same zone. But when you prepare thoroughly and then begin, refusing to stop or turn aside until the job is done, you develop energy, enthusiasm, and motivation. You get better and more productive. You work faster and more effectively. Don't waste time. The truth is that once you have decided on your number one task, anything else that you do other than that is a relative waste of time. Any other activity is just not as valuable or as important as this job based on your own priorities. If you have decided that my number one task is to, post on the social media and you're making the post, if you are then going here and there, talking to somebody in between, thinking कि ये तो छोटा सा काम है, ये तो साथ साथ भी हो जाएगा, that is wastage of time. The more you discipline yourself to working non-stop in a single task, on a single task, the more you move down the efficiency curve. You get more and more high quality work done in less and less time. Each time you stop working, however, you break the cycle and move back up the curve to where every part of the task is more difficult and time consuming. So it is about, कि अपने आप को कैसे आपको उस प्रैक्टिस में डालना है कि जिस चीज को, whatever you have started doing, you have to keep your all the focus, all the energy on that task only. Okay, let's hear it from you, Mamta. Mamta, would you like to share anything on this?
Mhm. Hello.
Hanji.
Yeah, absolutely. I guess when we, have certain thing into our mind that this is something which I have to do, and we are very clear about that intention. So somehow we get that get this time, to complete that task. We don't make excuses. So I recently learned from one of the videos of our community member. He has given a very beautiful example that like since when we were in a childhood stage, we know कि हमको exam देने जाना है irrespective whatever the circumstances comes, we go and appear for the exam. So likewise in our life also, if we are clear about our intentions that this is something which I have to do, so one or other way, we always get that time, pull that time and the resources we, हम available कर लेते हैं अपने लिए उस चीज को complete करने के लिए.
Yes.
So it is all about our intentions. If we are very much clear about that, we are able to accomplish that.
Absolutely. And this reminds me of कि सारा साल बच्चे नहीं भी पढ़ते ना, तो एंड डे में पता नहीं कैसे सारा साल पढ़ने के बाद भी उनका सिलेबस कंप्लीट नहीं होता, पर लास्ट डे पे जब वो पढ़ने बैठते हैं अपने आप कंप्लीट हो जाता है. हाँ मम्मी ये वाले चैप्टर हो गया, ये वाला हो गया, ये वाला हो गया. हाउ? बिकॉज द कंसंट्रेशन एट दैट टाइम इज वे हायर कि भाई आज तो खत्म करना ही है क्योंकि कल तो सुबह एग्जाम लिखने जाना ही है. All right, let's hear it from you, Muskan. What do you have to share on this? First of all, thank you for joining in.
Uh, Thank you for starting the book reading club. I thought you don't know I am here
नहीं,
because screen
I
is shared.
smiled. The moment you joined, I smiled at you.
I remember Goldilocks principle while I was listening this concept. The Goldilocks rule says that we must not be into the stage that we will not start the work कि हम fail हो जाएंगे. We must not be in the state that कि ये बहुत आसान है हम पास हो जाएंगे, क्योंकि ये एक ऐसे पहाड़ी जैसा कर्व बनता है इन दैट ग्राफ, जिसमें अगर हम ये वाली फीलिंग में आते हैं कि मैं नहीं कर रही क्योंकि मुझे पता है मैं फेल हो जाऊंगी और मैं नहीं कर रही क्योंकि बहुत आसान है, उसमें मज़ा नहीं आता करने में वर्क को. वी हैव टू बी ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द माउंटेन जिसमें इट फील्स लाइक इट हैज़ बोथ द फीलिंग्स that I know I can get through it. I know it is difficult also. And once we are in that, once we have set our targets, action goals in that format, it is so easy to kind of get to it because uh, humans को emotions पसंद है ना, पूरा मीठा भी नहीं चाहिए, पूरा नमक भी नहीं चाहिए.
हर चीज की ठीक एप्रोप्रिएट क्वांटिटी चाहिए. ज्यादा मीठा हो जाएगा तो टू मच, ज्यादा नमक हो जाएगा तो वो खा ही नहीं सकते हैं. Wow, thank you for sharing that. Goldilocks principle. All right, let's hear it from you, Vikas. विकास का नेटवर्क गया?
नहीं.
हम्म.
देखो, सबसे पहले when I talk and say that it is important. We have to be very clear. It is important for whom? It is important for my friend. Is it important for my family? Is it important for my goal? So this clarity is very, very important. Sometimes what is important for others takes precedence over what is important for me and my goal. So this thing has to be very clear. And second is, we have to be brutally honest with ourselves. Don't say that it is important for me. I will do it. I will do it later. This is how our mind plays trick with us, and we keep on postponing. Another trick that mind uses not to complete the important task is by saying, yes, it is important for me, but I just lack time. I have no time. So instead of saying all this, Mel Robbins puts it very beautifully. Say explicitly, categorically, and clearly that I am not doing it because right now it is not my priority. Let me give an example. Suppose walking is important for me. Let us take this as an example. Now, I may say that walking is important for me. It is just that I don't have time. Instead of this, if I say walking is important for me, but right now it is not my priority. See how the conflict is there in the latter statement. So you will automatically feel uh, uncomfortable. अरे मैंने ये क्या क्या बोल रहा हूँ, ये मेरे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है और प्रायोरिटी नहीं है, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? So sometimes
beautiful. This is so beautiful. I love it.
Yes, this is the principle that Mel Robbins suggests. We हम लोग जो है ना, we fool ourselves basically when we say that we don't have time. साफ साफ बोलो, it is not my priority. अगर आपके लिए important है, अगर वो चीज priority में है तो आप करोगे.
Today, you know what I did? मेरे घर में so I was to come upstairs on my table and मैंने राइस नहीं बनाए थे. राइस बनने रख के आई स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग बिकॉज 5 के स्टेप्स नहीं तो अगर मैं बैठी रह गई तो कैसे होंगे. आई वाज लाइक नहीं नहीं वो भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, मेरे को तो टिक चाहिए फॉर द टास्क दैट आई एम कमिटिंग टू डू.
और मैं एक्सक्यूज को दूर करने के लिए क्या करता हूँ, ऐसे किसी ने बोला कि आज मैं सेशन ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाऊंगा, मैं बोलता हूँ ठीक है, आप ग्रुप में डाल दो कि इस वजह से मैं आज सेशन नहीं अटेंड करूँ. फिर 3 दिन बाद आपको ग्रुप में डालना है, फिर आएगा इस वजह से मैं आज सेशन अटेंड नहीं कर पाता हूँ, इस वजह से मैं सेशन अटेंड नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. तो आपको पता चलेगा नहीं हम क्या कर रहे हैं. आई एम कॉट अप इन ए पैटर्न.
So there was a session wherein Shruti also said कि instead of telling me the reason, giving me the excuses, in fact reason नहीं होता, that is an excuse. You're going to tell me that I choose not to attend the session today. That's it. I don't want any reason.
तो देखो, shirking responsibility is the easiest thing. Putting blame on others, because now I think I am free. I'm not in guilt. I have no shame because I wanted to do it. It is just that I'm not doing it because of someone else. Now I feel myself relieved. कि मेरे को तो मैं तो करता. देखो, this is how mind plays trick with us. Whenever we try to blame others, actually the problem still lies with us only. It is not that this has to sink in. कि
Yes.
उसको उसके ऊपर हम दोष डाल भी दिए, ब्लेम कर भी दिए, तो प्रॉब्लम वही का वही है. हमको असल में प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करना है, जो कि मेरा प्रॉब्लम, राइट. तो दिस सेल्फ टॉक इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Yes. Thank you for that, Vikas.
वेलकम.
Robbins rule. Wow. Self-discipline is a key. Mamta says, I also agree. Albert Hubbard defined self-discipline as the ability to make yourself to do what you should do, when you should do it, whether you feel it or not, feel like it or not. That is, it's like people fail, systems do not fail. कि भाई जो मैंने अपने स्केड्यूल में डाल दिया वो तो होना ही होना है. आई डोंट केयर व्हाट आर माय फीलिंग लाइक, राइट? If in the final analysis, success in any area requires tons of discipline. Self-discipline, self-mastery, and self-control are the basic building blocks of character and high performance. Starting a high priority task and persisting with that task until it is 100% complete is the true test of your character, your willpower, and your resolve. Persistence is actually self-discipline in action. The good news is that the more you discipline yourself to persist on a major task, the more you like and respect yourself, and the higher is your self-esteem. How many of you have seen that happening in your lives? When your word becomes your law, you respect yourself more. When you start loving yourself more, you gain a lot of confidence and you know what is your priority as well. And the more you like and respect yourself, the easier it is for you to discipline yourself to persist even more. By focusing clearly on your most valuable task and concentrating single-mindedly until it is 100% complete, you actually shape and mold your own character. You become a superior person. You feel stronger, more confident, competent, and happier. You feel more powerful and productive. You eventually feel capable of setting and achieving any goal. You become the master of your own destiny. You place yourself on an ascending spiral of personal effectiveness on which your future is absolutely guaranteed. And the key to all of this is for you to determine the most valuable and important thing you could possibly do at every single moment and then eat that frog. Isn't that amazing? Beautiful. Let's hear it from Muskan. देखो गुम है. Single mindedly वो अपना काम कर रही है. Scrolling. Let's hear it from you, Mamta.
Uh, yes, very much. The thing is, recently I have developed this habit, to send a daily motivation message to in my official groups and to a few other members of my, circle. And the reason I'll tell you why I started doing it, so that I should develop a habit of giving a positive thought to my mind every morning, you know. So to make it a habit, I started this activity, and it's been long time now. I am following it without fail. I am sending it, and yes, it has given me very confident that yes, if I start something, I can continue with it, and I will feel happier when, in case if there is, a kind of a delay in sending the message due to some reasons, or people appreciate, so it gives me the happiness that yes, I have started something and I'm able to fulfill it.
Wow. Wonderful. So proud of you. Let's hear it
And
from.
the most important, most
Sorry.
important thing, why I, started it is every day our mind is different. Sometimes we are positive, sometimes we are negative, So मेरा main purpose यही था कि to give a positive feed to my mind, to my subconscious mind. While creating this message, I put so much effort to find out the image, then to find out the content, and it helps me to make my mind more positive in the morning itself, whatever the
It's like
situation
setting
is.
an intention in the beginning of the day that
Yes,
this is the tone of the day that I'm going to, imbibe in myself.
absolutely. And most of the time, what happens is during the daytimes, people come to me for XYZ reason for their troubles or so. And most of the time, जो मैंने मैसेज भेजा होता है ना, उसी से ही मुझे उनको एक एडवाइस देने का थॉट भी मिल जाता है.
That is so beautiful. Wow. Let's hear it from you, Vikas.
जो हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, जहाँ इतना सारा डिस्ट्रैक्शन है, वहाँ डिसिप्लिन और भी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है, क्योंकि पता है मेरे को ये काम करना है, दिस इज द इंटेंशन, बट देन देर इज टेम्पटेशन ऑल्सो. सो There is tussle going on every single moment between our intention and temptation. So what I have beautifully there was some beautiful definition that I have learned by Jim Rohn on discipline. Discipline is doing something which you want generally, which you want now, choosing what you want to do now over choosing what you want in general. So I want it. I want to complete my job. But the question is, am I ready to do the job right now here? अभी 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 करना है कि नहीं करना है. तो आप मूड स्विंग से ऊपर उठ जाते हो कि मन करे ना करे, करना है तो करना है. जब ये
Yeah.
एटीट्यूड आता है तो आप समझो कि एक तरह से जो बताया बुक में, सेल्फ एस्टीम, डू व्हाट यू से एंड से व्हाट यू.
What
जब
you
वो
mean?
आप एटीट्यूड डेवलप कर लेते हो ना, तो आपका सेल्फ एस्टीम पॉजिटिव होता है, और इस साथ साथ इसके आपका डिसिप्लिन का जो मसल है वो भी स्ट्रेंथन हो. सो इसलिए ना, और ये इट डज नॉट डिपेंड ऑन द अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क दैट यू शुड डू इन ऑर्डर टू फील डिसिप्लिन. आप 5 मिनट के लिए डिसाइड करो. दैट्स व्हाई एटॉमिक हैबिट्स, ये सारे बुक अच्छे हैं. वो अच्छे मतलब क्या, इम्प्लीमेंटेबल है. क्योंकि मान लो मैंने रखा कि मेरे को 5 मिनट के लिए वॉक करना है. I say I will do 5 push-ups and I end up doing 5 push-ups. So what is happening is, it is not about the number of push-ups. It is about the person I am becoming in the process.
Exactly.
I am someone who is disciplined. I am someone who is committed. I am someone who honors my word. I am someone who does whatever he says. So उससे जो आपका सेल्फ एस्टीम डेवलप होता है, और ये सेल्फ एस्टीम आपको हर एक एरिया में, ना कि एक पर्टिकुलर टास्क के लिए, हर एक एरिया में आप यूज कर सकते हो. तो सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन आज के टाइम में, खास करके जहां इतने सारे डिस्ट्रैक्शंस हैं, अगेन द पोटेंशियल थ्रेट इन टुडेज टाइम्स इज वी गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड मोस्ट फ्रीक्वेंटली, मोस्ट रीडीली, मोस्ट इजीली. आपको देख लो, देयर आर मिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर्स बीइंग स्पेंट कि हमको डिस्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए. नेटफ्लिक्स के सीईओ से पूछा गया कि आपका थ्रेट क्या है, तो बोल रहा है कि मेरे को लोगों का अटेंशन खरीदना है. अगर if I binge watch any Netflix series, this is the success of Netflix. This is what they want
And what are we doing? We are just contributing in their success all the time.
in their success. So what I am doing is what is important for me, not what is. That's why I was saying कि हमारे लिए important है कि नहीं,
Yes.
है ना. हमारे लिए important वाकई में यदि रहता, और हमको रिमाइंड करना पड़ेगा हर बार, जैसे मैं बोलता हूँ एफर्मेशन कि what is going to be most important for me right now is to do this activity. I will categorically state and repeat to myself again and again that what is going to be most important, or what is most important for me right now is this activity.
Yes.
Is this activity.
Wow. Very nicely and elaborately shared by Vikas. मुस्कान, आपकी कंसंट्रेशन पूरी हो गई है अगर फोन स्क्रोलिंग में, तो लेट्स हियर इट फ्रॉम यू एज वेल. I called out your name the first, out of all three. I called out your name first. You did not even hear. You were so highly concentrated in your.
I was thinking किसका नाम लिया, and then I was seeing Mamta ma'am running, and I was like, उनका नाम लिया.
All right, let's hear it from you now.
But I have heard what she was saying and what Vikas sir was saying.
जो मैंने पढ़ा वो नहीं सुना.
नहीं नहीं, वो भी सुना. एक्चुअली मैं कुछ नहीं, मैं बस क्वेश्चन आंसर से रिलेटेड कुछ, विदाउट एनी म्यूजिक, आई वाज जस्ट पुटिंग सम स्टोरीज.
Okay, let's hear it from you now.
It was there are three powerful words in this chapter, that is competency, stronger, and confidence. And of course all the three words are really powerful, because uska ulta is, stronger ka ulta is courage issue, competency ka issue is comparison, and confidence ka issue is shyness. And तीनों ही बहुत ज़्यादा खतरनाक है. So for example, if eat the frog first, if I will talk about me, I am right now in the format of how to do sales. I'm learning because sales is a learnable skill. And I was just yesterday watching some Raj Shamani ka video YouTube pe. He was telling PEU formula for sales. And in that, he was talking about the same concept which is written in the book. He was telling that P is purpose, know your purpose, why you're doing it, tell the people the story. Now prepare the people because you are the coach. You have to tell them how to, they will give money to you because they have the courage issue. You have to kind of tell them how to come out stronger, how to bring their game more stronger. Then E is emotion. There is kind of comparison between value and the value they are giving because the dissociation with the money is kind of so painful that they are thinking कि वहाँ वैल्यू कम है और ये वाली वैल्यू जो मेरे पास है वो ज़्यादा है. And when the disassociation issue between the value they are having and the value they have to get उसमें issue है तो they are having a comparison between two values and they are kind of competing in their own head and heart. एक छोटी सी fight चल रही है करना है कि नहीं करना. The moment that is coming they are feeling less of confident to kind of spend the money, and then we have to kind of create the urgency in them, like either dream big or have the fear of missing out. एंड आई वॉज मतलब वो सारा कुछ मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था क्योंकि कल रात ही सुना था, कल रात भी नहीं, कल सुबह ही सुना है 2-3 बजे. एंड वो सारी चीज़ें ना डॉट 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 कनेक्ट हो रही थी while आई वॉज रीडिंग दिस.
Okay. So I know where your head was. Thank you for sharing that. So before the chapter ends, Brian Tracy always gives us 2 points to reflect on. And here we have point number 1, which says take action. Resolve today to select the most important task or project that you could complete and then launch into it immediately. Don't wait. Don't procrastinate. Immediately 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and start doing the task. All right. And point number 2 says, once you start your most important task, discipline yourself to persevere without diversion or distraction until it is 100% complete. See it as a test to determine whether you are a kind of person who can make a decision to complete something and then carry it out. Once you begin, refuse to stop until the job is finished. This is difficult, but it is worth trying, worth practicing, because afterwards, the kind of confidence, the kind of self-esteem boost that you're going to get would be another level. Right? Let's hear it from you, Mamta. Are you going to implement any of it? And what are you going to implement it on?
Yes, I'll definitely implement the most important thing. Focus on my diet basically, which is, once or after every 2 days, I am breaking that pattern for not following it, especially in the dinner time. So that is one thing, and the other on my physical activity.
So, what is the most important task that you need to do in immediate effect that you're procrastinating on?
Both the things, to look after my health and to do my
If you
regular
have to
physical
choose one,
activity.
if you have to choose one, what would it be?
Physical activity first.
Okay. And what is it that you need to do in physical activity?
At least 30 minutes, either walking, running, yoga, or any kind of exercise. Usually I do jumping jacks and other things, so I will do that. At any cost, 30 minutes to be spent for my exercise part.
And why do you need to do it?
For my good health, because once I start doing this exercise, automatically I guess my healthy pattern, the eating pattern will be followed. So that's why the exercise part is much more on a priority side. Because
And
once I will be in that form, so the diet pattern I will automatically follow. I know that.
wow, that's nice. And what is it that stops you from doing it?
Mm, I think again, my excuses, own excuses.
एक
which we
तरफ से
discussed
मैं
earlier.
कहती हूँ कि वर्किंग आउट इज
करना, हाँ.
प्रायोरिटी, दूसरी तरफ से मैं अपने आप को एक्सक्यूज भी देती हूँ. ऑलराइट.
Yes, so I will not do that now. Otherwise, I'll make a one group and I'll drop a message. I am choosing not to be fit.
Beautiful. And how about if I tell you that I'll give you 10,000 rupees if you manage to
Hmm.
do workout every single day for next 30 days?
I will do that definitely
पक्का?
because yes, 100%.
चाहिए 10,000?
Yeah, why not?
Or how about like if we reverse the situation?
Even though I'll do it.
कि अगर ममता अगले 30 days वर्कआउट नहीं करेगी तो she has to transfer 10,000 rupees in Karishma's account.
I will do it. I'll not lose the money like this. It's my hard-earned money.
पक्का?
101%. I'll do it.
ठीक है, तो send the DM to me that you are opting to do 30 days without stop, 30 minutes workout every single day. ठीक है?
Yes, I'll do it.
And I'm your
I'll
accountable
do it.
partner for it. ठीक है?
Perfect. Done.
Great.
Otherwise, I'll transfer. But I'll
हाँ,
not
वो
make
तो
it
अपने को
happen.
मिल ही जाएंगे ना. Anything you miss out on sharing the message, workout done, तो मेरे को मिल जाएंगे पैसे.
Yes.
Will be like,
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that part. I'll do it and I'll drop you a message. It's done. It's done. It's done.
wonderful. Let's hear it from you, Vikas. Your last words on this chapter.
Yes, it reminded me of the fitness challenge group जो मैं 100 रुपये लेता था सबसे पहले डे. सो 100 रुपये के चक्कर में जो है रात में 12 बजे भी लोग जो है ना वॉक करके देते थे.
And
एंड
I've
देयर
been,
वाज अनदर कॉन्सिक्वेंस. आई हैड सेड कि अगर आप वॉक नहीं करते भी हो, मेरे पास अपडेट नहीं आता है, तो मैं पहले मैसेज करूंगा. मैसेज का रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आएगा तो मैं कॉल करूंगा. कॉल का यदि आप नहीं पिक करोगे फिर मैं वीडियो कॉल करूंगा रात के 12 बजे. तो मेरे को याद है रात के 12 बजे भी नींद से उठ के लोगों ने वॉक किया हुआ है.
I'll make that happen for Mamta as well.
So the idea is not to attach necessarily to the money. Sometimes panel consequences do not work for many people. उनके लिए क्या सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है
आजकल
उसके साथ
हम
कॉन्सिक्वेंस
सारे
अटैच करो.
कोचेस बन रहे हैं ना, हम सबके लिए पैसे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो गए हैं एक्चुअली. जैसे मुस्कान को बोलो ना 10,000 देने हैं, वो जब भी 10,000 के चक्कर में उसकी वो पावर पॉइंट बन गया, 1.5 में 11-12 लाख रुपए के लिए उसका पूरा सिलेबस रिवाइज हो गया. तो आई थिंक दिस इज अ वेरी गुड कॉन्सिक्वेंस राइट नाउ. इट इज वर्किंग.
So Mamta, you have made this public announcement.
Sorry, come again, sir.
You have made this public announcement कि अगर मैं
Yes,
किसी और
yes.
पोस्ट नहीं करते हो तो मेरे 10,000
Hmm.
कितना 10,000 ना.
हाँ, 10,000.
Yeah.
Kirtan is being recorded.
Yes.
Actually, she has quoted a bigger amount, ना. If it would have been 1,000, 2,000 ना, तो शायद फिर भी कल्टी बच जाती.
नहीं
But
हो ना
अब there
1,000.
is no chance.
मैंने मुस्कान को जो दिया था दैट वाज फॉर 1 सिंगल डे. 24 घंटे के अंदर स्लाइड बननी चाहिए, नहीं तो 10,000 ट्रांसफर कर दो. आई वॉज गोइंग टू से कि एक दिन के 10,000 देने, फिर मैंने कहा नहीं यार, चल 30 डेज रखते हैं, एटलीस्ट 30 डेज करेगी तो सही.
Yeah, I'm good into this. If I take a challenge, na, I always try fulfill it. So I'm happy to accept this challenge.
Great, great, great. Chalo, thank you each one of you for joining in and being in this room, sharing your perspectives, sharing your stories, sharing whatever you are liking and loving. And I'm looking forward to have more of you, Mamta, in this room. And thank you,
So thank you.
Vikas, for being super, super consistent to be with me in this room. All right, take care. God bless you all. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.